Donuts here. Today, I found a mouse that's worthy enough to replace the model of I'm talking about the Ultralight 2 from Cape Town. It comes in about a 7x4 box, all black, not much else printed but the logo, and it's super light. It only weighs 50 grams. Inside is a cardboard tray, and you have the mouse encapsulated in a plastic shroud. There's a little box in front of it. Inside is 3 little bags of infinity skins, and those are basically layers of the mouse that you can stick on to make it feel bigger. The cable and the scroll wheel is orange accented. It feels like a really good quality. It's braided and it's not as soft as Model O's. It holds up to shake. Listen. It's time to retire Model O. You've been good to me. You're now back up.